Hello everyone. Well, in this video, I'm going to discuss about Blue Ocean plugin for Jenkins. Blue Ocean plugin is used for analyzing your build pipeline. It provides better dashboard as compared to the traditional Jenkins UI. You can see here we are getting the option that is Open Blue Ocean. This option is coming because we have installed the Blue Ocean plugin while setting up the Jenkins on our system. So just click on this option and it will open the Blue Ocean. So as you can see here, this is the dashboard from where you can monitor all your build pipelines. Either you can restart any existing build or you can start a new build using the run button. Just click on any build number and it will take you to the stage view. So build number 30 has these stages. Just click on any stage and you can see the logs from here for that stage. Also, you have option of restarting the build from a specific stage. So select the stage and select this option. It will restart the build from that stage. Also, you can download the logs from here as well as you can see the artifacts which got generated as a part of build number 30. Just click on download all to download these artifacts. This artifact comprises of the report which got generated as a part of test execution as well as the log file. So let's say if I want to start the build from this stage, that is restore package stage, just select that stage and click on restart. So this is going to start the build from that specific stage. So as you can see here, it completed the restore package stage, then move to the build stage, and then continue with the rest of the stage in the pipeline. So currently test execution stage is getting executed and you can monitor the logs from here. So this plugin provides a better way of analyzing your build pipeline as compared to the traditional Jenkins UI.